Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah, hi. What's up? This is Shuri from eGadgets for you, and we are back with another video. So Prince, what do we have in this video?
We have the Apple Watch Series 10.
Yeah?
Yes.
How cool is that?
That's very cool.
Let's unbox it and set it up with the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yes, actually sorry guys, while I was shooting this video, my audio recorder was on, but for some reason the audio is not coming. Anyways, yeah, here is my son Prince, who is actually doing the unboxing for me. So he's going ahead and opening the box. So yeah, there are instances where I have to help him. So yeah, opening the box over here, and it actually unravels the Apple Watch Series 10 over here. As you can see, this is a box. Let me put aside the brown box for now. Apple is always exceptional with their packaging. As always, I had the Apple Watch Series SE first generation. Yeah, that also had some similar thing like this. Okay, this is the first look of the boxes of Apple Watch Series 10 and the sports loop band. I have opted for the blue sports loop band over here. Let's go ahead and open the sports loop band at first. As always, you need to peel off the sticker over here. Okay, yeah, these are the user manuals, which we actually don't need. I guess most of the people even don't care to read it also. So this is a sports loop band, which I am actually taking it out from the packaging. Yeah, the packaging is a bit tough on the band part over here, which is good. So this is a band which looks absolutely amazing. It has elasticity, and also the strap, the quality of the strap is awesome, I must say. Next up, we will go ahead and unbox the Apple Watch Series 10. Mind you, it's a 46mm Apple Watch and the GPS cellular version. Of course, this will be my first time experiencing the cellular version. As always, opening the package, it's a great experience. Apple does take care of the minute things always. Okay, so this is the watch box over here. And let us first actually take out the charging points, actually how it is well managed over here. Okay, so they have given the braided cable. I have used a SE version 1 previously that does not have a braided cable option, but this one does have the braided cable option. Its build quality is awesome, and also it has fast charging actually. So yeah, this is the quality of the charger, and yeah, the build quality is awesome. It's a bit heavy also. Yeah, this particular charger is supposed to charge to 80% in 30 minutes. Okay, now it's the time to reveal the watch, and yeah, it's a bit tricky, so I'm doing it actually. That is it. That is a watch. Yeah, it's aluminum build. Oh wow, the back is really nice, really nice. Yeah, the 46mm does looks bigger, supposed to be bigger than Apple Watch Ultra 2, although I have not used. Okay, the very first thing that I need to do is actually I have to put on the strap, and yes, let me do that first. Okay, yes, so it should go in from one direction only. Yeah, so that is it. Okay, I have actually switched on the Apple Watch for the very first time as well. So it says bring iPhone near the Apple Watch, and I have to set up the Apple Watch with my iPhone, so let me do that. Prince will be holding the Apple Watch, and I will be setting it up from my iPhone. So as you can see, it has auto detected the Apple Watch obviously, so I hit continue. Will send you notifications. Yeah, I would love to get the notification from Apple Watch because all of health related and important updates are there. So set up Apple Watch. I will set it up for myself and not for the family member. So hold the Apple Watch up to the camera. So there will be like a QR code sort of thing that will happen. So if you hold the Apple Watch perfectly, yeah, that particular green emblem is there, and it says your Apple Watch is paired. It's easy peasy. And now you have to follow the set of instructions in your iPhone only. Wrist preference should be left because yeah, I will wear it on my left wrist. Connecting your Apple Watch, this may take a moment. Yeah, I have ample of time. Let us wait for it. As you can see that the display on the Apple Watch Series 10 has changed. Also, it is saying that it's 46mm aluminum case designed by Apple in California. The terms and conditions, end of the day I have to agree to it. That is a norm. And yeah, analytics, I never shared any sort of analytics with any company whatsoever. Apple Watch passcode, this is very important, because if you enable this, it will actually make sure that you can unlock your MacBook Pro and iPhone with the passcode of your Apple Watch only. So now after I have given my passcode, over here it asks for the bold text and size, and yeah, with a 46mm watch, I prefer this size. This is a good size, of course, for the text. I have no issues whatsoever with this. So let me setting my preference, hit continue. Shared settings, yeah, shared settings with iPhone, the location services, find my phone, Siri, and analytics and improvement. Yeah, I don't have any problem with that. That is okay. Personalized fitness and health, it has actually detected my old data when I used to use my Apple Watch AC. So yeah, those data are actually perfect. So hit continue. Workout, route, enable route tracking, that is good. When I go for runs, route tracking is good. Sleep, actually I don't use it. I'm a sound sleeper, so yeah, I'll skip it. Get notifications about your health, that is good. It does helps to let you know for in noisy environments, low heart rate, high heart rate, very much needed, much important things. So yeah, this should be there. Cardio fitness, absolutely. Continue. Are you taking these hard medications? I prefer that you should be honest with that. I'm not taking. So yeah, safety is there, it's okay. Mobile service setup. Your Airtel account is not eligible to okay, I should make a separate video on how to enable the mobile services in my Apple Watch as well. Yeah, no worries, I will say make that video separately. Now double tap. Okay, this particular gesture was actually present in the Apple Watch Series 9, but yeah, I have not used it. So yeah, this will be something very new. Okay, I have enabled the Siri by mistake over here. Okay, so double tap gesture, that is good. This will be new for me. Depth, yeah, the depth app is a new feature exclusive to Apple Watch Series 10, I guess, or is it coming via the software update to other Apple Watches? I guess not. Yeah, it's exclusive to Series 10 only. So yeah, open depth when submerged sounds good. Apple Watch is syncing, so yeah, now you have to give it some time. Let the syncing happen and complete. Okay, yeah, so it says welcome to Apple Watch over here. So the setup has completed. It has completely synced with my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I press start on the Apple Watch, learn how to navigate the Apple Watch. This is important for the first time. If you're a first time user, this will help you a lot. On the apps section, press the digital crown to return to your watch face again. So that is it. And you see this particular thing that is actually going up. It is actually depicting the seconds. So it's a new addition to the Apple Watch Series 10. Press the side button to open the menu options, the control center options. Yeah, so this is the one I'm saying that, yeah, that is going up. Turn the digital crown to see the notifications or other menu options over here. So now it says welcome to Apple Watch. That is it, guys. I have set up the Apple Watch. So yeah, you see that the second timer it's going on. So the main thing that is left to do, that I will try the Apple Watch on my wrist, left wrist. Okay, the strap does feels comfortable, a lot comfortable, I must say. Quality with Apple, no issues whatsoever. Yeah, so yeah, let me go ahead and do some things. This is the ECG app. Yeah, that is a good addition, something new that I'll use. I have never used it. Let me check the heart rate. Although yeah, making video standing and checking all the things, it's a stress, it's a bit of a stress. And yeah, should be high. 102, that sounds about right, although I have a resting heart rate of 58 beats per minute. Hahaha. Anyways, yeah, this does feels comfortable, looks nice as well. Yeah, should compensate with any dress that I wear. Before ending the video, one more important thing that I have to show you is that I have this old pair of straps that I have been using with my Apple Watch SE, and it has been told from Apple that your old straps will also work. Although this particular strap is not from Apple, but I will try this and I'll see that whether it fits perfectly or not. Now time to apply this old strap. Oh, that actually went in so smoothly, so nicely. Yeah, it is a bit loose, I can see over there. Yeah, my previous Apple Watch AC was 44mm and this is 46mm. Actually this part of the strap didn't go in so easily. I think I have done some mistake on this particular part. Let me correct that. It should be the black side, I think. No, it shouldn't work. No, this, yeah, that is it. Yeah, it was like this only. Yes. So as you can see over here that, yeah, this fits perfectly, so you can use your old strap as well. And yeah, for this video, this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful, and stay subscribed because a dedicated video of the Apple Watch Series 10 with all its features and everything will come shortly to my channel. I have to test this watch also, so I can give you a full overhead review for that. Stay subscribed, turn on the notification bell, share this video with your friends and family. That will be it, guys, for this particular video. Bye for now.